Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of India with a price target of Rs 165. Bank of India reported strong performance on the asset quality front in Q1. Net slippages were negative for the quarter. Operational performance was also better than expectation, led by higher than expected NIMs and healthy loan growth. Healthy business momentum and lower credit costs should support return ratios. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.8 times its FY25 and zero point 0.7 times FY26 adjusted book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next, we have an update on Zydus Wellness. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Zydus Wellness with a revised price target of Rs 3000. Zydus Wellness Q1 numbers were strong with revenue growing by 20%, volume growth of 17% and operating profit growing by 33% year on year. Operating profit margin was up by 187 bps year on year to 18.5%. Adjusted PAT grew by 22.2%. Zydus Wellness eyes double-digit revenue growth momentum to continue and targets operating profit margin going back to 17 to 18% in a few years. Company launched multiple products under various categories in Q1 and has 4 in the pipeline, which are expected to be launched in the coming quarters. The stock trades at 37 times FY25 and 29 times FY26 EPS respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.